Hey everyone, this is Dhruveen, and in this session we are going to talk about one of the interesting concept of Project Oakdale. During this session, I am going to talk about how we can build Power Virtual Agents Chatbot in Microsoft Teams. I have divided this entire Project Oakdale series with Power Virtual Agents into two different parts. You are watching the first part of this series. Second part information is available in the description box. So now, without wasting much time, let's get started with building a Power Virtual Agent chatbots inside the Teams. Let's get started. The first question arises in our mind: what is Project Octal? So let me give you a short introduction about Project Oakdale. Project Oakdale is a built-in, low-code data platform for Microsoft Teams that empowers users to build custom apps, bots, and flows in Teams by using Power Apps, Power Virtual Agents, and Power Automate. So in short, we can integrate our Power Platform within the Teams. We don't need to leave Teams context to use our Power Platform component. So during this session we are going to talk about Power Virtual Agents inside the Teams, right? We are going to build Power Virtual Agent Chatbot inside the Teams itself, which doesn't require additional licensing. We all know about what is Power Virtual Agent and how we can build chatbot with the help of Power Virtual Agents. I have prepared the entire session series on it during the January month. Link is available in the description box. It was 8 different part series to build your chatbot inside the Power Virtual Agents. Now we are going to build the similar chatbot inside the Teams, but we will do some fast forward process. Now one more question arises in your mind that Dhruvin, yes, we can build the chatbot using Power Virtual Agents, right? So what is the benefit if we are building that within the Teams? Let's say if you are building Power Virtual Agent chatbots in Teams, you can use only that chatbot within the Teams context, and you don't need to purchase any additional licensing for that. While in case of Power Virtual Agents, you need to purchase additional licensing for your chatbot. That's the one of the most important advantage that I find here. Now let me explain you how we can build Power Virtual Agent chatbots within the Teams, right? So now let's get started with the development process. First of all, open your Microsoft Teams, click on ellipsis from the left navigation. Now here you need to search for Power Virtual Agents. So I'm just searching here for Power Virtual Agents, and you will be finding Power Virtual Agents app over here. Just click on that. So it will ask to add that app within your Teams, right? So just click on add. That will add your Power Virtual Agents app in Teams. Now if you want to pin that on your left navigation, right click on that and click on pin. So that will always pin here on your left navigation, and you will not lose the Power Virtual Agents from here, right? Now let's get started with our chatbot development process, right? During this session I am going to build a chatbot for virtual IT admin, right? So basically I want to create an example, like let's say for an example in your organization there should be an IT admin. If anyone faces any issue, what the people are doing is they are raising a ticket for their issue. Let's say someone faces an issue related hardware software problem, right? So what they are doing is they will write an email, or maybe they are using their internal support system, right, where they can write a description and they can add screenshot and all and just submit a ticket, right? So same type of chatbot we are going to build here, right? So let's say for an example, if someone types like I need a help, it will provide the option like what help they need, hardware software. They can select the appropriate option and they will just provide the description, and the ticket will be generated automatically in the portal. So this type of chatbot we are going to build over here, right? You can build more complex chats chatbot as well with the help of Power Virtual Agents inside the Teams. But to understand the concept, we are going to build the basic chatbot over here. Now let's get started with the development process. Click on Start Now. This will open the pop-up like this. Pick up which team you want the board to be managed by. So let's say I want Power BI in Teams, right? So let's click on Continue. So this chatbot is something which is managed by that team, right? Now we need to provide the name of our bot. So I am typing my bot name is Abhay IT Admin. Just select the language of your bot. So I am selecting English as language here. You can select other different languages like this, right? At this moment, this many of languages are supported here. Just click on create. This will take some time. The chatbot has been created successfully. Now we just need to add some topics here, right? So let's click on go to topics. I explained this entire procedure in Power Virtual Agents step-by-step series where I explained what is topic, what is trigger, right? So I'm just skipping all of those things. We are directly going to create different topics over here, right? So these are the different user topics and system topics, right? Now let me just create one new topic, right? So what would be the topic name? It should be need help. So my topic name is need help. It should have the different trigger phase like need help or facing an issue, generate a ticket, hardware problem, software problem. So you can add any natural language trigger over here, right? So whenever the user will enter this type of phrases, it will trigger this particular topic, right? Now just click on go to author in canvas. So this is my trigger phase. So whenever user will type anything from this, we would be prompting a message like, right? We are just printing a message. Then we will ask a question to them like which, please select a issue category. So I just added a question, please select an issue category. We would provide multiple choices, hardware and software. Yes. Now we are storing that particular result inside this variable. The variable name should be variable category, right? Now let me just remove this unwanted one, right? So basically we would be having two different category here, hardware and software, right? Now what I wanted to do here is once user select any of the option, I will ask user that now please enter the description of your problem, right? So we'll ask them a question like please enter the description of your problem in 150 words, right? Now it should be the free from text field, right? So we are just having its identify as user's entire response, right? And we just wanted to store that result at variable hardware description, right? So let's just save this thing, right? Same way, let's add a question as well. Same question, please enter the description of your problem in 150 words, right? Now same way, user's entire response, and we are taking the same variable software description, right? So just here and just type the variable, and instead of hardware we just need to add software, right? So my variable has been stored, right? Now user has entered the description, right? Now we just wanted to generate a ticket for them, right? So basically I wanted to enter those data to the SharePoint list, right? So now let me show you the SharePoint list structure over here. So basically this is my IT admin list over here, which is available into this particular site, IT admin, right? Now whenever the user will enter any issue, their description will be stored here. We would be entering their category, we would be entering who has generated the ticket, right? And based on that we are generating a ticket here. So now in order to store this data from this Power Virtual Agent to SharePoint list, what we need to do here is we need to create the Power Automate flow from Teams context itself, right? So I'm just clicking on save here, so it will save these changes, and after that I'm going to create a flow. So just click here, call an action, and now create a flow, right? So this will add Power Virtual Agent flow template over here. Just rename your flow over here. I'm just saving my flow as generate ticket over here. Now in order to generate ticket, I need three information from my chatbot. One is category, second one is description, and third one is user's name, right? So basically I'm just creating three different variable over here. So first one is category, second one is description, third one is user, right? Now once I get that information, I wanted to store that data to the SharePoint list item, right? So I'm just search for a connector, create list item, right? Create item. So we just need to provide site URL over here. So basically my site name is IT admin. So I'm selecting this IT admin site. I'm selecting custom value from here. I'm just typing that. Now we need to select the list. My list name is IT admin, so I'm selecting that one. Here we need to provide title, though it is showing an error here, but I think it will allow us to save because we are getting the list name over here. Now we need to provide the title. In title field we just need to store the description value. In category we just wanted to store the category value from here, so we just need to select enter custom value, and from here we just need to select category variable, and ticket created by we just need to provide the username from here, right? So this is how we are generating a ticket. Now let's just save this particular flow over here. So you can see that the error has gone here. So Microsoft will definitely improve that service gradually. And once the item is created, we just wanted to send a response that the ticket has been just submitted successfully. So we just define one variable, right? Now let's say for an example, if something went wrong, then we need to send a message that something went wrong. So we just add parallel action over here, return values to Power Virtual Agent, and here we will just configure run after. If it is failed, then we wanted to send a response value as something went wrong, please try after some time. With this you can also send the email notification. In order to send email notification, you need to find user's email address based on the username, or maybe using ID. You need to use Office 365 connector for that, right? On that is how you will be finding their email address, and based on that email address you can send the email to the end user that the ticket has generated successfully, right? At this moment we are not doing anything like that, right? We are just simply save this ticket over here. Now let's go back. Now let's add our flow. So I'm just adding a node, call an action, and now that flow will be appear to me over here. So I'm just adding my generate ticket flow. Now it is asking for 3 parameters, so I need to pass 3 different parameters over here. So first of all, let's pass the category. Its variable is where category. We need to pass a description, so we need to provide a hardware description over here, and then we need to provide the user information. So we will pass boat.user display name over here, right? Same way, let's call a same flow over here. So I'm just generating a ticket over here. Now category, let's pass the category. Software description we need to pass, and same way we need to pass the user's display name, right? And whatever the flows response would be there, if we are getting that response over here, right? Now we just need to show a message over here, and in that particular message what we wanted to do here is we wanted to use a variable response, right? So we are just printing that response variable over here. So just click on show a message, and let's use the response variable from here. Once we get the response, we just need to use end with survey. Same way, end with survey, right? And now we just wanted to save this chatbot, right? Now once your chatbot is being developed, we need to test our bot. So just click on test bot. So let's say, let me just add a message, hi. Now my greeting message is looking like this. I want to change this message, right? For that you just need to go here, home. You just need to go to the topic section, and now here you would be having greetings. So you just need to click on authoring canvas, and now here you can see the same message over here, right? So I'm just modifying my message like, hi, I am Abhay, your virtual assistant. If you like to speak to a human agent, let me know at any time. So what can I help with you today, right? So now let's just type this thing, hi. So it is printing a message like this. Now let me go again to this particular topic that we just created, and let me just go to the authoring canvas over here. Now let's test our bot. So I'm typing hi over here, so it will show me my updated message, right? Hi, I'm Abhay, your virtual assistant. So what can I help with you today? Need facing an issue, right? I'm just typing like that. So it is replying me like, it is prompting a message me, thanks a lot for connecting, I would happy to help you. Please select an issue category. So I'm selecting hardware as a category over here. So it will ask, please enter the description of your problem in 150 words. So I'm just entering a word like, my sound card has a problem. So I just entered a message, my sound card has a problem, right? Just an enter. So this will call my flow, right? And in flow I am getting a response message like, the ticket has generated successfully. Did that answer your question? Yes. And I'm just adding some ratings over here, right? Can I help with anything else? No, right? So this will looking like this, right? Now let's check our SharePoint site, like if my entry has been successfully or not. So you can see that the ticket has generated successfully over here, right? So this is how we can easily build a chatbot with Power Virtual Agents, right? Now we have tested our chatbot. Now it's time to publish our chatbot. In order to publish your bot, just go to the topic section, and now you will be finding publish option over here. Just click on publish. So basically you need to click on publish over here, publish the latest content, and now you just need to open the bot. So once you click on open the bot, it will ask to add this bot over here, right? So just click on add the bot and that bot will be added over here, right? And it is printing a message like this to you, right? Now let's say I'm typing a message, need help. Now I'm selecting software as a category over here. So now it will ask me to enter the description. I'm typing I need Adobe, and now it is saying the ticket has generated successfully, right? Let's check the SharePoint list. You can see that the ticket has been generated successfully here, right? So this is how you can publish the bot and use that inside the Teams context, right? Now let me explain you one more thing. Go to your Power Virtual Agent section over here. Now go to the chatbot section. Here you would be finding your IT admin application, right? Now what if you want to share this chatbot with other users, right? So for that, just open your bot, and now we are going to share this bot with the other people, right? In order to do that, what we need to do here is just go to publish bot section. Here we have an option share the bot, right? So we just need to click on that. Here we have two different options, submit for admin approval and share with my team, right? I am using add to my teams, so it simply add that bot to my teams and we can easily use that from here, right? Now we can also edit the information of our chatbot, like we can change the color as well as we can change the icon as well. So let's say I'm just adding the icon like this, right? And I'm just changing the color like this, right? And now I'm just clicking on save. At this moment I have shared my chatbot with my teams, meaning only me and my team will be able to access this chatbot. Apart from my team, no one from the organization will be able to access this chatbot, right? So now let's check this thing first. So let's say for an example, at the very beginning of the session we have prepared this chatbot for one of my teams, which is Power BI in Teams, right? We have created our chatbot for this particular team, right? So now let me check who are the user of this particular team, right? So now let me just click here and let me just click on manage teams. At this moment Dhruvin is the only user available inside this particular team, meaning apart from Dhruvin no one will be able to access this particular Power Virtual Agent chatbot, right? If any other users has been added over here, they will be able to access that particular application using this ellipsis, and they can just search for Abhay IT admin, right? And they will be able to access this particular chatbot over here, right? But now what if I want to share my Power Virtual Agent chatbot throughout the organization, right? Now I'm going to explain those steps over there. So just go to chatbot section, just click on Abhay IT admin, right? And now we just need to share this application throughout the entire organization, right? In order to do that, just go to the publish bot section from here, right? Now just click on share the bot, and now here we would be having an option share with my organization, right? So we just need to click on submit for admin approval, right? Just click on submit for admin approval, right? We can change the color and icon as well from here, and just select submit for an admin approval, right? So this will go for the admin approval in Microsoft Teams. Once the admin will approve this chatbot, it will be available for entire organization, right? Now how can admin approve this particular chatbot, right? In order to approve my Power Virtual Agent chatbot, we need to open Microsoft Team Administrator. For that, open Microsoft 365 Admin Center.
The admin center will look like this. Just click on show all. From admin center section, select Teams admin center. Make sure that you have Microsoft Teams administrator right in order to open Teams admin center. Now, from the left navigation, expand Teams app. Click on manage apps. Let's search for our app over here. My app name was Abhay IT Admin, right? So I'm searching for that. So the app is available here. You can see that its status is blocked at this moment. Now, as a Teams admin, I want to approve this chatbot. So I'm clicking on that. And now I'm just changing its publishing status as published. And here we are. We have approved our Power Virtual Agent Chatbot from Teams Admin Center. Now, let me go to the Teams again. Let me open my chatbot and let me check its status over there. Open Publish Bot. And here you can see that in Share with My Organization section, the app is available in the App Store, right? So the status has been changed here, right? Now, anyone from your organization, just click on this ellipsis, click on More Apps, and go to the section Build for the tenant, right? And they will be able to see the application over here, right? I can easily install this app to my Teams and I can use that, right? Now this is available throughout the entire organization, right? Now let me log in with some another user and let me show you that functionality. So here at this moment I have logged in with Tejal's account over here. Now I just wanted to make sure that if Tejal is able to access that Power Virtual Agent chatbot or not. I'm just clicking on ellipsis icon. I will search for the app. I will search for the app Abhay. So the app is available here, and when she will add this particular app to her Teams, she will be able to access this particular Power Virtual Agent chatbot, right? Let it to be added, and here we are. Tejal is able to access this IT admin chatbot over here, right? If anyone do not find the app from the search option, they just click on more apps. They would be able to see the app in build for DSHA-27 section over here, as well as they can click here and they can check that particular app over here as well, right? So this is how we can share our Power Virtual Agent chatbot throughout the entire organization. So I think I covered almost everything here. If you have any question, you can add your questions in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, podcast and Google Form. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, click on this link. This will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. If you wish to listen different podcasts, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to my podcast homepage. From here, you can listen different podcasts from different platforms like Apple Podcast, Google Podcast or Spotify or any other platform which is available here. So stay tuned with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.